Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. Welcome, everyone. So, yesterday I dropped my bike. Today, I got a new windscreen in. So, let's go over it. All right, so yesterday I dropped my bike. If you're not familiar with that, I have a video I just put out yesterday. You'll find it in a little link right up there somewhere. If I'm pointing in the right spot, there should be a link right over here. Anyway, so dropped my bike yesterday. When it happened, it hit my car. You'll see about it. But I broke my windscreen. A little perturbed about that. Called up Ducati and was like, hey, I need a new windscreen. And here is the weird part. The replacement windscreen is like $400 and some. And I said, could you check on that? And I actually called back later to my salesman who was with the parts guy at Ducati, and he's going, yeah, we can't figure it out either, why that windscreen replacement is over $400. Yet the Gran Turismo windscreen, that is an upgrade, that's larger and taller, is only $260. So I'm not quite understanding that. And if you get the Enduro one, which is a little bit smaller, that is a $187.20, all American US dollars, okay? So I was like, the heck with this. Full Throttle Junkie's like, hey, I have a connection at Puge, get one from Puge. I'll be honest with you, I kind of don't like what they have. So I ended up going online, finding Duca bike. They had one in stock. It's a bit of a smoke screen. You're gonna do an unboxing with me. And it's a smoky color. And the price was right. And I'm like, hey, let's do this. Luckily, I found out not only is it in stock, but they're in Miami. So they shipped it yesterday. I got it today while I was at work. I got the notification. Hey, I'm like, wow. So let's take a look and let's put it in. So here is the culprit. Well, here's the victim actually. The culprit is me because I had the kickstand up when I thought it was down, and as you can see, and we're still trying to figure this out, how this actually happened. I have two cameras out front, and neither of my Ring system cameras actually captured me dumping the bike. It only captured me after I lifted the bike back up, which is why my back is really sore. So anyway, 1, 2, 3 screws have to come out. This is really simple, but here's the brake. Not sure what it hit. Don't know, because the crash bars kept any of this from touching anything. I'm thinking it may have just hit me or something when I was getting, jumping off the bike. I don't know. But let's unbox and we'll take a look. Okay, so I am tethered by my microphone. So let's see what I can do without getting in the way. Ooh, hey, heads up. Always cut towards yourself like an idiot so that you risk really hurting yourself, okay? Anyway, let's get this thing open and see what we have. There we go. So, I'm joking. You don't ever cut towards yourself like I just did. All right, well, right off the bat, that's a pretty big sticker. Duca bike, all right. We'll take care of them. And then here is the replacement windscreen. Let's take a look and see what it looks like on the bike. And we'll get an idea of approximately how big it is in comparison. All right, let's take a look. Okie dokie. So it looks to me like this is going to be a little bit taller than this screen. So it'll be a little bit taller, offer me a little bit more wind protection. It's gonna stick down on the bottom here a little bit. It's tinted. These winglets are not tinted, but they're gonna work perfectly fine. I don't really care that it's just not too bad of a tint. But overall, I think this is pretty much looking very similar to what we have on the stock. So let's take these 4 out and let's change it. Oh yeah, and a little bit of information here for you. See that rusty color, all right, inside? That's a little bit of oxidation. Now, I will tell you that the Ducati dealerships were told by Ducati I'll put it up on the screen. Don't ask me how I got it. But if they said in there. If you find this phenomenon, please replace the screws. This is a naturally occurring process with some oxidation, but according to Ducati, it says if you find this, replace it. So you can try with your dealers, see if they'll do it, because I bought some of these as extra and they're like $3 and over $3 a piece. They're a little pricey. Maybe they're even more than that, but I think I paid like $3 something a piece for these. So that's what's happening. Now, how do we take this off? Good question. It's going to be a number 25 Torx bit. A number 25 Torx bit will fit right in there and pull these out. See, number 25. It's a Torx bit, and that's what you're going to use to take this off. I already have a video about this. It's something simple. You can look at that video. So let me just knock this out quick. Okay, let's pull these puppies out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very easy. 4 oxidized screws. You take this off. Don't forget, right here, you're gonna have to take these bushings out, all right? These little, not bushings, anyway, you take these little rubber sleeves out and you're gonna put them in the new windscreen so that you don't crack it, all right? So take this out and put them in the new one. All right, so once you get the grommets moved over, all right, and I used a little bit of silicone to put them on so that they was a little easier to get in. Just a little bit of silicone. Let's see how this lines up. Seems to line up pretty good. This one's giving me a little trouble here. These ones on the bottom, but I think they'll find their place here. You know, if you notice that little cut isn't here on this one, it's a little taller, so I'll probably get a little bit of a better, protection from the wind. Don't like the way this is fitting here. Let me take this off and take a look at this again. Nope, it's just me. It's just me. That's all. All right, so let's get this thing on. Let's get these screws in place and take it for a spin. I think we should take this for a spin. That's what we should do. All right, so here we go. Not much torque, just a little bit here. Ready? That's all we need. 1, 2, and 3, and of course 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, clean it up and let's see what it does with the wind. But now you can see at least what it looks like on the bike. Not too shabby. So there we have it. Feels good, protects you from the wind. Nice little smoky color, looks better. If I can maybe get some stuff to maybe match, it might look a little bit better, but you know what? I don't really care. If they make them, great. If they don't, really, who cares? I'm gonna clean these up a little bit, but overall, I'm pretty happy. And for 130, well, just call it 140 bucks plus, I had to pay for tax because it's located in Florida. But for 140 bucks plus tax, I think it's a great buy and it looks really, really good. This is Rainbow. Please don't forget to like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and have yourself a great day.